How's it going today? It's Todd again from True North Online Marketing. And I wanted to share with you a little something that I did recently on my YouTube channel. If you look up here, go to my channel, you can see that I've made this banner here. And what I did with this banner was I used Canva. I'm not sure if you've used it before. It's pretty easy. It's canva.com right there. And it's basically free, except if there's some premium templates or premium graphics and things like that. I paid $1 for something on mine, but you can design pretty much all you want. Here's some of the designs I did. The problem I was having was first I wanted to make it as big as I possibly could. So I made it this full size, but then when I loaded it to my YouTube, it was just way too big. So I had to kind of experiment a little bit and get it down to, I think this was the size I got. I'm not sure why. It says the best pizza in New York, but that was some kind of a heading that was already on it. I was too lazy to change it. But this is that. And then here's my little compass with everything inside it. I made this too, but it's super easy to do. And all you have to do is click on create a design, and then you look for the application that you want. There's social media right here, and I believe this is what I use. So I went to see, they have, if you want to make a thumbnail for your YouTube videos, you can do that here. Here's your channel art right here. I think that's the one I used. Just looking to see if there was, that's a LinkedIn banner. Okay, so that's probably the channel art was probably the one I used. So just click on that, and it gives you all kinds of different templates to start with. I just kind of scrolled through here, and I wanted a black background. So basically all I did was I found something with a black background, and I used it. But you can use anything. And all this stuff is easily edited. You can edit anything out of it you want. So let's just say that you want to, here's something. Use this one right here. It's kind of cool. It's got like an ocean, and then it's got a little bit of a sort of a hazy green over it. So you can see here, it says sea salt. You can totally edit this. True North. Make it bigger. Move it around. You can even put it up here if you wanted to. If you have some ideas. You change the color, so that's kind of got a teal text color. I'll just make it white. That way it stands out. And then you can make it bigger yet. Pull it this way. There you go. So pretty easy to do. And then you can change the sizes up here. Here's the font style. And then let's see. If you wanted to add something, like I want to add more text, just click on that. Oh, and I used one of these too, kind of a pre-designed sort of template here, which was kind of cool. So I just found something that I liked, that had kind of the amount of lines that I wanted, and the what do you call it, the font that I wanted too. So I just scrolled through here until I found something that I liked. Here's something real simple, real easy. So I just use this. And I double clicked on it. It's over here. You can see it. And so you just kind of change it and go name. Oh, I did it wrong. So I need to make this bigger if I can. Oh, maybe what I'll do is I'll just edit the font size a little bit. There, that fits in there better. I don't know if I can stretch that out. So then you can, basically just modify these, online marketing, and then whatever else you want. You can, you don't even have to have this line here. You can just take it out. Just didn't get it all. Take it out. I'm going to get rid of that one. So I'm on this. So then you click the delete button, and that's going to delete the element. At least I thought it was. Delete the group. Guess I should have deleted the group. There you go. And I wonder if I can delete this circle too. I don't want that circle there. So there's that. And then maybe if you don't want this this green right here, maybe not. There, it's gone. Change all this to white. Anyways, you can see how simple it is. And then also what's kind of cool is that they have the this resizing button too. Well, that didn't change. Let's get that to white. There we go. It's kind of hard to see. So, it's fun. It's fun to mess around with, and you just play around with it a little bit. Let's make let's get a black here. That way that shows up on the white better. Not too well though. See if we bold it. Still not that great. If I move it down like that though, you can see it. And then if you click on this resizing deal, see here you have some options for resizing. So all you got to do is just scroll down. There's the YouTube thumbnail. See, we're already on YouTube channel art, so that's where we want to be anyway. So we're good there. But if you weren't on that, you could resize. You could resize it to that. But like I said, I had to manipulate it somewhat. So what I did was I got it very centered, like that. So you change this one back to black, white, maybe. Change that to black. So super scalable, you can, maneuverable. You can move it around any old way. Let's see if I can completely just I'm not sure if I can get rid of that or not. But what is kind of nice is there is, let's see, get out of that. There's also like the, let's see. There was a place where you could, move things forward and back too. So that's around here somewhere. Just not sure where it's at right now. But anyway, so I made that out of this. Made my banner out from the Canva, which is pretty awesome. This is not an awesome one at all. But if I go back to my designs, I haven't used this one, but it's kind of cool. I like it. I might use it for something. So once you have it, all you have to do is download it. So it just downloads, and you just put it right onto your, put it in a file that you can find, and then you just put it right on your YouTube. So it's pretty easy to do. If you have any questions, though, if I didn't do a very good job of explaining it, it's pretty easy. But once you get on here, you just, if you're used to doing this kind of stuff, you can just kind of go around. And since I already paid for these, that's why it's not giving me the. So I think this cost me $1, I think, and so I had to pay for the compass. So that's the True North compass, facing north. Just a little image there that represents a logo. And I have it right. You can't hardly see it, but if I go here, you can see I used it right there too. So that's it. So here's the YouTube channel art size. This is your art size that you want. Is the 2560 and 1440 pixel. So you want that size to fit. But like I said, see, this was too big and it didn't really fit in. Not sure why, but I went down to this size. I went real small and I just kind of centered it all. And then as you can see here, boom, it fit perfect right there. So once it's kind of squashed down, all that black's gone on the upper and the bottom. Let's see. There it is again. So all that black that's up there is gone once it loads on there. All right, but that's about it. There's my YouTube channel. That's what it looks like. I think it looks a lot better than I just had some kind of a piece of just a picture that wasn't even me or anything like that on there as a background. So that's canva.com. Basically free to use. There are some things you have to pay for. It's like $1 or whatever. But it's worth it. It's worth it to do because that looks pretty nice. And you have all the tools that you need there to do it easily. All right, well, thanks a lot. Remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions about this video or any comments, please make them. I would love to hear from you. And I'll check with you on my next video. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.